Hello students, once again welcome to online class of science of class 6. So students, today we are going to discuss about question answer of the chapter 6, that is changes around us. So let's start. So student, your question number 1 is here. To walk through a waterlogged area, you usually shorten the length of your dress by folding it. Can this change be reversed? So what will be our answer? See here our answer. To walk through a waterlogged area, we usually shorten the length of our dress by folding it. Yes, this change can be reversed by unfolding the dress. That means कि जो हम लोग अनफोल्ड करके उस चेंज को रिवर्स कर सकते हैं. ये हुआ तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखो. क्या बोला गया है? यू एक्सीडेंटली ड्रॉप योर फेवरेट टॉय एंड ब्रोक इट. दिस इज ए चेंज यू डिड नॉट वांट. कैन दिस चेंज बी रिवर्स? सो क्या बोला गया कि जो तुम्हारा फेवरेट टॉय एक्सीडेंटली तुम्हारे हाथों से गिर गया और टूट गया, तो क्या ये चेंज जो है उसको रिवर्स किया जा सकता है? तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? देखो, नो, दिस चेंज कैनॉट बी रिवर्स बिकॉज इफ वी ड्रॉप ए टॉय एक्सीडेंटली it breaks into a number of pieces, so we cannot get back original toy again from the broken pieces. So this is your question number 2. Now your question number 3. See, some changes are listed in the following table. For each change, write in the blank column whether the change can be reversed or not. So your first change is, see here what is given, the sewing of a piece of wood. So student, tell what can this change be reversed? Sewing of a piece of wood. So we can reverse this change? No, we cannot reverse this change. So we write no. Now next is your the melting of ice candy. So जो आइस कैंडी मेल्ट होना, उस को हम लोग रिवर्स कर सकते हैं क्या? तो क्या होगा कि नहीं, मेल्टिंग ऑफ आइस को हम लोग रिवर्स कर सकते हैं. येस, वी कैन रिवर्स द दिस चेंज by cooling, because when molten chocolate ice candy is cooled down, it again become solid. So we can reverse this change. So we can write answer yes. Now number 3, dissolving sugar in water. So yes, this change is also reverse. We can reverse this change, dissolving sugar in water. When we heat up water, water is evaporate and sugar remain in the pan. So we can reverse this change. So we can write answer yes. Now number 4, the cooking of food. No, this change cannot be reversed because we cooked raw vegetables or materials. So when we cook it, we cannot get again the raw material. So we can say that cooking of food cannot be reversed. So we write answer no. Now the ripening of a mango. So this is also no. Now next is your the ripening of a mango. So tell me student, can this change be reversed? Ripening means here पकना. तो मैंगो के पकने को रिवर्स किया जा सकता है क्या? नो. सो वी राइट नो. नाउ नंबर 6 इज योर शोरिंग ऑफ मिल्क. मतलब मिल्क का खट्टा होना. तो हम लोग उसको रिवर्स कर सकते हैं. कैन वी रिवर्स दिस चेंज? No, we cannot reverse this change because when milk once become souring, it cannot be again changed into milk. So our answer is no. So this is your question number 3. Now see question number 4. A drawing sheet changes when you draw a picture on it. Can you change this change? Sorry, can you reverse this change? So what will be your answer? See here. No, this change cannot be reversed because when we draw and paint a picture on a drawing sheet, there is a change in the drawing sheet. So we cannot convert the painted drawing sheet back into blank drawing sheet. दैट मीन्स कि एक बार अगर हम लोग ड्राइंग शीट पे कुछ ड्रॉ करते हैं और पेंट कर देते हैं तो हम लोग उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि एक बार अगर वो पेंट हो जाएगा तो उसको वापस ओरिजिनल ड्राइंग ब्लैंक ड्राइंग शीट में हम लोग चेंज नहीं कर सकते. सो वी कैन राइट दैट ड्राइंग पेंटिंग ऑफ picture on a drawing sheet cannot be reversed. So this is your answer number 4.